Building and growing a YouTube channel can be a time-consuming and challenging process, but there are ways to automate certain aspects of it to make it more manageable. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to automate your YouTube channel.
There's 3 levels to this framework. If you're new to making videos, and in this context, I'm starting a YouTube channel with 0 experience, completely from scratch.
Number 1. Develop a content strategy. The first step in automating your YouTube channel is to develop a content strategy. This involves identifying your target audience, understanding their needs and interests, and creating content that appeals to them. Developing a content strategy is a crucial step in automating your YouTube channel. It ensures that you're consistent and the content you deliver is valuable and relevant to your target audience. The first thing you need to do is identify your target audience. Create a mental image. Imagine a tech channel. Would you want to target tech savvy and know what they want? So ask yourself, who are they? What are their interests and needs? What type of content do they consume? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can begin to create content that appeals to them. This means focusing on topics that are relevant to them and creating content in a format that they prefer. To automate this process, consider using a content planning tool like Trello or Asana. These tools allow you to create a content calendar, schedule posts in advance, and collaborate with your team members.
This is a great niche that can not only get you millions and hundreds of millions of views, but you can also monetize it with great brand deals. So brand deals and sponsorships rate really decent in this niche.
Number 2, create a production plan. Once you have your content strategy in place, it's time to create a production plan. This includes identifying the equipment you'll need, hiring any necessary crew members, and setting up a workflow for filming and editing your videos. Creating a production plan is a crucial step in automating your YouTube channel. First, you need to determine the equipment you'll need to create your videos. Depending on the type of content you're creating, this may include a camera, microphone, lighting equipment, and editing software. It's important to invest in high-quality equipment to ensure that your videos look and sound professional. If you plan to film yourself, consider investing in a tripod or a stabilizer to keep your shot steady. You may also want to purchase a teleprompter to help you remember your script while you're on camera. If you plan to film with a crew, you'll need to hire camera operators, sound technicians, and other crew members as needed. Once you have your equipment and crew in place, it's time to set up a workflow for filming and editing your videos. This will help you streamline your production process and ensure that your videos are consistent in terms of quality and style. Here are some tips to help you create a workflow. Create a shooting schedule. Determine when and where you'll be filming each video. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you have all the necessary equipment and crew members available. Set up your shots. Before you start filming, take the time to set up your shots. This includes framing your shots, adjusting your lighting, and testing your audio. Record your footage. Once your shots are up, it's time to start filming. Make sure to record multiple takes of each shot to ensure that you have enough footage to work with during the editing process. Edit your footage, and after you finish filming, it's time to edit your footage. Use editing software to trim your clips, add music and sound effects and any special effects or text overlays as needed. Export and upload your video. Once your video is edited, export it to the appropriate format and upload it to YouTube. Be sure to add a title, description, and tags to help users find your video. By creating a production plan and setting up a workflow, you can streamline your video production process and create high-quality videos with ease. To automate this process, consider using production planning software like Studio Binder or Shot Lister. These allow you to create a production schedule, manage crew members and locations, and track the progress of each video.
YouTube channel actually for? The mistake a lot of people make is that if you try and reach everybody, you'll end up reaching nobody. And then what? What problem does my YouTube channel solve?
Number 3, optimize your videos for SEO. One of the most important aspects of growing your YouTube channel is optimizing your videos for search engines. This involves using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, as well as creating high-quality thumbnails that attract viewers. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial for growing your YouTube channel. Using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, as well as creating high-quality thumbnails, can attract viewers and boost your rankings. To automate this process, try using an SEO tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools allow you to research keywords and track your rankings and optimize your videos for maximum visibility. By using an SEO tool, you can save some time and ensure your videos are always optimized for search engines.
Yes is the easy answer, but where I think the definition of what you think about vlogs need to change is in the sense of it being just a video format. So the way you deliver your information, it could be in a talking head. It could be in a video podcast like this.
Number 4, schedule your videos in advance. Once your videos are produced and optimized, it's time to schedule them for release. This involves setting a publishing schedule and uploading your videos to YouTube in advance. Using a scheduling tool can also help you avoid the stress of having to manually upload your videos every time you want to publish them. Instead, you can upload them in advance and have them automatically published at the times and dates you've selected. This can save you time and help ensure that your content is consistently being released on your chosen schedule. Additionally, these tools often come with analytics and reporting features that can help you track the success of your publishing schedule and adjust it as necessary. By automating the scheduling process, you can focus more on creating and promoting your content rather than worrying about when to release it. To automate this process, consider using a scheduling tool like Hootsuite or Buffer. These tools allow you to schedule your videos for release at specific times and dates, ensuring that your content is published on a regular basis.
The channel got 26,000 views. It got over 400 hours in watch time. And if we look at our dashboard, the last video actually got 900 views and was the best video we've ever put out.
Number 5, promote your videos on social media. To grow your YouTube channel, it's important to promote your videos on social media. This involves sharing your video on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Automating your social media promotion can save you time and effort while also helping you to reach a wider audience. Social media management tools offers features like bulk scheduling, which allow you to create and schedule multiple posts at once. This can be especially useful when promoting a new video or running a social media campaign. In addition to scheduling posts, social media management tools can also help you to track engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. This data can be used to identify which types of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Some social media management tools even offer automation features like automatically sharing your YouTube videos on all your social media channels as soon as they're published. This can help to increase your views and engagement on both YouTube and your social media platforms. Automating your social media promotion can help to streamline your workflow, increase your reach, and save your time and effort in the long run. By using a social media management tool, you can focus on creating high-quality content for your YouTube channel while still promoting it effectively on social media. To automate this process, consider using a social media management tool like Sprout Social or Agora Pulse. These tools allow you to schedule social media posts in advance, track engagement metrics, and automate your social media workflow.
Now, there was only one problem with that channel, and that's that it was burning up cash. I was spending a lot more money than I made. In fact, I was making absolutely nothing from the channel. In the last few months, though, that problem has completely changed.
Number 6, monitor your analytics. Finally, it's important to monitor your analytics to track your growth and success of your YouTube channel. This involves tracking metrics like views, engagement, and subscribers, as well as identifying areas for improvement and growth. To automate this process, consider using an analytics tool like Google Analytics or Social Blade. These tools allow you to track your YouTube metrics, analyze your audience demographics, and identify areas for growth and improvement. To automate the analytics process, consider using a tool like Google Analytics or vidIQ. These tools allow you to track and analyze key metrics like views, engagement, and subscribers, as well as providing insights into your audience demographics and behavior. Google Analytics, for instance, can track the traffic sources of your YouTube channel, identify the most popular videos, and track the behavior of your viewers. This data can help you optimize your content and identify areas for improvement. vidIQ, on the other hand, provides detailed insights into your video's performance, including keyword research, search volume, and competition analysis. By automating the analytics process, you can save time and effort while still gaining valuable insights into your channel's performance. This can help you make informed decisions about your content strategy, promotion tactics, and overall approach to growing your YouTube channel. In addition to using automation tools, it's important to regularly analyze your data and adjust your strategy accordingly. This means staying up to date on industry trends, experimenting with new formats and topics, and engaging with your audience to better understand their needs and interests. Automating your YouTube channel can help you save time and streamline your workflow. By following these 6 steps, you can develop a content strategy, create a production plan, optimize your videos for SEO, schedule your videos in advance, promote your videos on social media, and monitor your analytics for growth and success. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's a one-time thing and it'll help you a lot in your YouTube journey. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a good day.